Some animals show remarkable kindness that goes beyond species. Elephants are known for their deep empathy, often helping other animals and even protecting humans in danger. Buffalo display natural compassion, offering assistance to weaker creatures around them. Birds express devotion by shielding their partners from harsh weather or nearby threats. Horses are gentle companions, willingly sharing food with smaller animals that come close. These behaviors remind us that kindness is a natural instinct, proving that even in the animal world, helping others is a universal language.